Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to calculate the percentage of a number in Google Sheets. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So let's look at this example. We have numbers in the first and second columns, and our task is to calculate how many percentage the second number takes from the first. We write the equal sign and divide the second number by the first. We press enter, and as you can see, Google Sheets immediately understands what we need and provides an autofill option. We can accept autofill or do it manually by double-clicking the cross in the lower right corner. This is how we calculated the percentage of the second number from the first number. If you need to convert the results to a percentage format, then click the percentage sign on the ribbon and they are converted to a percentage format. And the fractional part of the percentage can be hidden or increased by clicking on the corresponding buttons, decrease decimal places or increase decimal places. But if you need to calculate a specific percentage of the number, for example, let's calculate 10% of the first number, enter the equal sign and divide the first number by 10. And as you can see, we have received a specific number, namely 2, which is 10% of the number 20, and so on. It's all. Now in all to more. Thanks for watching.